Okay, good morning students. Now assignment 3. In assignment 3 we have many things. The first one is singular and plural. And the first question is underline the correct answers. The two options are given and you have to underline the correct one. The sheep and sheeps were grazing in the field, so it will be SHEEP. The children and children's are playing in the park. It's a very common mistake. Children's is wrong. We should always say children. One child, many children. The children are playing in the park. Number 3, the men and mans are waiting for the bus. The correct answer is men, M-E-N, men. Some mouse, number 4 sentence. Some mouses and mice ate on the grains. It is mice, not mices. Mouses is wrong. It's mice. Mouse, mice. M-I-C-E. Fifth question. The old man lost all his tooths and teeth. It's teeth. The sixth one is the boys. B-O-I-E-S and B-O-Y-S. Sat on trees. It is B-O-Y-S. Boys. 7. The calves. C-A-L-F-S. Calves and C-A-L-V-E-S. Live in sheds, and the correct answer is, as you all know, it is C-A-L-V-E-S. Now the second question is change the sentences from singular to plural. Now here you have to change the whole sentence. So if it is one, we write is. If it is many, we write are. So the first question is, first sentence, this is a box, and the answer will be these are boxes. When it is one, we say this. This is a board. But when there are many, we say these. T-H-E-S-E. These are boxes. I bought a brush, one brush. I bought a brush. There, here it will be I bought brushes. Third sentence, the baby is sitting on a bench. Now the baby becomes babies, I-E-S, and Y is taken off. Babies are changes to are sitting on, bench become benches, CH changes to ES, benches. Now the fourth sentence here, the lady drank a glass of water. Now the lady, L-A-D-Y, lady becomes ladies, L-A-D-I-E-S, ladies drank, glass, S-S, so it is E-S, glasses of water. The thief had a knife. Now thief is F in the end, so it becomes T-H-I-E-V-E-S. The thieves have, again, knife, K-N-I-F-E, F-E changes into V-E-S. Knives. Mango, the mango is, sixth sentence, the mango is hanging from the branch of a tree, and the answer is the mangoes. When it is O at the end, it takes or add ES. The mangoes are hanging from the branches of tree. Branches of tree, a tree becomes trees. And the seventh sentence is, the key is in the box. And the answer is, because before Y we have a vowel. And which vowel we have? It is E. So it will only add S, not I-E-S. The keys are, is changes to are in the boxes. X, if you have at the end, it adds ES. So the keys are in the boxes. The third question was change the nouns to plural form. Now story, because it has Y at the end, I-E-S, stories. A, but before Y we have A, vowel, so it is D-A-Y-S. Life, F-E, so F-E is taken off and L-I-V-E-S. Potato, last letter O, if we have add ES. Dish, S-H-E-S, dishes. Sixth one, bus, last letter S, so E-S, buses. Deer, as we all know, deer doesn't change, it remains the same. Dress, double S, so we have D-R-E-S-S-E-S. Woman, it is uncommon. Women, it doesn't follow any rule. And school, it is only S, schools. The next question was, circle the proper noun and underline the common noun. The first sentence was, Sumit is playing football. So, Sumit is proper noun and there is no other proper noun here. Next one is Narmada flows through Bharuch. Narmada is proper noun and Bharuch is also proper noun. We went to Shimla in May. Shimla is the name of a place, so it is proper noun. May is also proper noun because it is the name of a month. My grandfather walks with a stick. There is no proper noun here. Taj Mahal is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. Now Taj Mahal is proper noun and Yamuna is common noun. Now these are the proper nouns which we have circled. Now we have to underline the common nouns. Again, in first sentence, Sumit is playing football. Yes, children, which is the common noun you have done in your assignment? It is football. Next sentence, Narmada flows through Bharuch. There is no common noun here. Both are proper nouns. Third sentence, we went to Shimla in May. Here too, we don't have any common noun. Fourth sentence, my grandfather walks with a stick. Now here, grandfather is the common noun. We all have grandfathers and stick is also common noun. So we underline it. Taj Mahal, in the fifth sentence, Taj Mahal is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. So banks is common noun and river is also common noun. Now these are your proper noun and common noun. Now coming to the last question of this assignment, make sentences. Now children, I have given few words and you have to frame sentences with these words. Now the first one was ball. You must all have written many type of sentences. You can write, I have a ball, I play with a ball, I play football, or my father gave me a big ball on my birthday, presented me a big ball on my birthday. Many other sentences. I lost my ball and all that. Second sentence is pencil. Now you must all have written sentences on pencil, like we write with pencil, I have many pencils, I keep my pencils in the pencil box, I sharpen my pencil before writing, so on. Third sentence is sky. Third word is sky, and you can write many sentences with the word sky. The sky looks blue in color. The sky is covered with clouds. I can't see the sun shining there. Yesterday, you all know, there was solar eclipse and many times it was covered with the sky was, there were a lot of clouds in the sky. Then the kites are flying in the sky or the birds are flying in the sky. I look up at the sky. Many other sentences. Fourth word is bicycle. You can write many sentences like I have a bicycle, I ride bicycle in the morning or in the evening. My father or my mother or anybody else have presented me a bicycle on my birthday. My bicycle is broken, it is not working, I have to get it repaired. So many sentences. And the last word is mother. I love my mother. It's a very common sentence. You can write, my mother cooks delicious food for me. My mother takes care of me. My mother teaches me. I love to talk with my mother. So these are some of the words you can frame sentences with. even the sentences which you have written may not match with the sentence which I just told you. It's absolutely fine, there's no problem. You can frame your own sentences. Thank you.